The coil, the hardware is made out of stainless steel. Now interacting with water, ionizing the water, and at the moment is splitting the hydrogens and the oxygens of the water, and currently is 12 volt across both positives and negatives. A very simple control circuit. Within the coil where positives negatives is, positive will not touch negatives, so positive and negatives are not connected. And in order to make it work, that a scientific approach with natural pathway in mind, which is a macabre, that to keep things simple, plus that inside us in a submerged environment there is complexity is not an option. So a simple macabre is chosen and to submerge the coil into the water, and so we will disconnect the power. Meter read about, we have 2 volt of readings. So with the 2 volt present, we will try to light up something. We'll flash it. We'll constant it. So it indeed has 2 volt of power. So we will do that again, because it's so much fun. We'll power it up, about 12 volt running across it. Charge it a little. What's significant is this is water, and in normal circumstances you do not supposed to do this type of we flash it. We will constantly turn it on. So as much as the 2 volts power is capable of lighting up the LED, any acoustic input do not has any effect, such that if you sing to the coil, it does not generate power. So if you sing and dance like a monkey in front of your hardware, it will not make much difference. So in a moment, how significant is the body of water? In a moment I'm going to remove the body of water and we'll see how everything goes. Turn off the system because the wire going loose everywhere. We will disconnect the meters. It's a very dangerous place. A lab has wire going everywhere. Life. The significance of the body of water is, now we're going to take the hardware. This coil is absolutely mind-blowing. So we will gracefully and neatly power it back on with good looking in mind. Keep things where it should, where ground go to ground, where go positives. So we will power it up. So the system is powered back on. How significant the body of water? The body of water gives the current, give the muscle you have just seen. Without the water, nothing's work. So we will power it up. Currently powered by 14 volt of power. Now hold on a minute. We power it back on 14 volt. Disconnected. Meter read. We've seen this coil. Meter read 2 dropping 1.9. So in the moment that we will try to light up that LED without a body of water, we charge it a little first. $14 volt. That's it. Disconnected. Within the coil, within the hardware, there is 2.4 volt. When the body of water is absent, it is unable to light up the LED at all. 1.4 volt. 1.4 volt reading across the coil is generating in the free areas, but the LED is not light up. What it seems to be light up is just the sunlight reflecting on the transparent material. So the body of water absolutely has profound effects. You can say one way or another the hardware is interacting with the body of water in order to produce enough power to light up the LED. The hardware is stainless steel. Both positives and negatives are stainless steel. It does not take into consideration of materials such as bronze and aluminum. Bronze to represent to be positives, aluminum to be negatives, and but on both ends is stainless steel. To use bronze and aluminum in these occasions, the bronze will be very fast dissolved away, same as the aluminum. Stainless steel is more stable, and so we will charge it up 14 volt. Disconnected. Watch it. Live wire. The coil has 2 volt. We will try again to light up an LED. There is nothing. The LED won't light up. The current is too little, and the coil do not like it. So the power out. The coil right at the moment is still holding 1.6 volt. As long as it's submerged into the water, it will act like the capacitors. It's a very interesting hardware that interacts with the water. And this type of interactions it has not been considered to be high voltage. Maybe some more interesting result. We will conduct more and report back report back when we have results. Thank you.